Hi, I'm Jamaica. Pero mas kilala nila ako bilang Jam. Hindi strawberry jam ha. Tahimik ako sa una. Yung tipong mahimhin at hindi masyadong nagsasalita. Pero kapag naging close mo na ako, ako pa yung pinakamaingay. Minsan, naiisip ko, do I really fit in? Parang iba ako eh. Hindi kasi ABM strand ko noon. Na parang may sarili akong mundo at ibang pangarap na gustong abutin. Pero sabi nga nila, iba-iba tayo ng perspective sa buhay. And maybe, this is mine. Like, I'm walking into a world I'm still learning to understand. May purpose ba ang buhay ko? Yes. I know God is leading me somewhere special. My dream? Siguro may buhay ng masaya at payapa. Yung simple lang. Mahilig akong mag-crochet kasi even loose threads can become something beautiful. I love drawing. Dito ko nailalabas yung hindi ko masabi. And sometimes, parang chess ang buhay ko. Minsan talo, minsan panalo. And I want to embrace the journey, even when it feels uncertain. These are the pieces of who I am. Silent dreams, small joys, and the little moments that quietly shape me. So, why am I here? I believe I'm here to discover my strengths, to keep learning even when I feel lost. I'm just turning the pages of my life, not closing the book. There are still so many chapters waiting to be written. Stories I need to live and lessons I need to learn. This is my story, and this is just the beginning.